Hi YouTube. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some slime. If you haven't seen my other videos with the game series, but this is my mom's phone, so I had made a game series. So
yeah, so let's get into the video. What you'll be needing is Suave kits, 2-in-1 or 3-in-1. A kind that's cheaper, get the 2-in-1. If you want a kind that's,
if you like the 3-in-1 better, then get the 3-in-1.
You can have any other kind of shampoo, but I'm gonna be having Ocean Breeze. Ocean Breeze, okay? Ocean Breeze shampoo. You can get that kind, any other kind. I have plenty of shampoo. So yeah, and
something to mix with.
The container, and my container has a top to it. Okay, so
yes, you're gonna take
or 3-in-1. You're gonna pour it in your container. Your other shampoo, and then I'm gonna pour it up in there. That kind. Okay, this is how it looks. You can pour however much. It's yours. And then you just stir. That's my Sunday. See, the problem with this is I have kids. So, we just add. Just want you guys to see. And then you just... Now, I'm either going to use my phone or my mom's phone, but my next video is going to be... So I want you guys to stay tuned with that. And plus, I got to get more. And this is what your slime will look like. It's all just take out and, you know, play with it on your hands. If you're looking for that kind of slime, stay tuned for my next video because I am going to be making it out of glue. I'm not a detergent. So, I wasn't really into slimy. I'm going to make a YouTube video because I like to record videos and edit them with iMovie. So yeah, iMovie game. I put my slime up in a container and just close your shampoo. And guys, please don't do this if this makes your mom mad. Okay? I don't want you getting in trouble.
But they don't care. You might care.
So, this is a new page. I'll
probably
be posting videos on this page too. So
please like, subscribe, and comment on these videos. And subscribe and hit the
notification button. So, you can stay tuned for my next videos. I know my videos kind of suck.